What is an NDA when selling your small business? If you are considering selling your small business, you might have heard the term non-disclosure agreement, often shortened to NDA. But what does it really mean for you? Let's break it down in simple terms. An NDA is a legal contract that protects sensitive information when you are selling your business. When you start talking to potential buyers, you will need to share important details like financial records, customer lists, and business strategies. An NDA ensures that this information remains confidential. The agreement clearly defines what information is considered confidential. This can include trade secrets, financial details, and customer data. It also outlines the purpose for sharing this information, which is usually to help the buyer assess the business for purchase. One of the key points in an NDA is the buyer's responsibility to protect the information. They must treat it with the same care they would use for their own confidential data. This means they cannot share it with anyone else, except for trusted advisors like lawyers or accountants. Another important aspect is what happens to the confidential information after the negotiations. The NDA typically requires the buyer to return or destroy all confidential materials once the discussions are over or upon request. The duration of the confidentiality obligation is also specified in the NDA. This can range from 1 to 5 years, depending on what both parties agree upon. Additionally, the NDA will include legal provisions that state which state laws apply and where any disputes will be resolved. While an NDA is not legally required when selling a business, it is highly recommended. It provides legal protection if a buyer breaches the agreement. For instance, if they share your business secrets or reach out to your employees prematurely, you have a basis for legal action. Using an NDA can also help you identify serious buyers. If someone is unwilling to sign the agreement, they may not be genuinely interested in purchasing your business. There are different types of NDAs. A unilateral NDA protects the seller by restricting only the buyer from disclosing confidential information. A bilateral or mutual NDA is used when both parties are sharing confidential information and want to protect each other's data. It is wise for small business owners to have an NDA drafted or reviewed by a solicitor. This ensures it covers all necessary protections tailored to your specific business needs. Moreover, NDAs can include clauses that prevent buyers from soliciting your employees or customers if the sale does not go through. This is important for maintaining your business's ongoing operations. In essence, an NDA is a fundamental tool for anyone looking to sell a small business. It helps balance the need to share important information with potential buyers while protecting your business's secrets and relationships throughout the selling process.